I'm so sorry for what I said when I was at the dump station.
Oh, we're going to talk about poop, aren't we?
Stick around.
I'm sorry.
Well, Lynn, why did the toilet paper roll down the hill?
I don't know, Danny, why.
It wanted to get to the bottom.
Hi, I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny, and welcome to RV America.
Despite today's topic and Danny's really bad jokes, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. We really do have some pretty good videos.
And hit that notification bell, because we've got a lot of exciting stuff coming up, and you won't want to miss that.
So one of the things we love about having an RV is that we no longer use public restrooms.
Right, we bring ours with us.
But that stuff has to go somewhere. You don't want to carry it around forever.
That's right, because when you gotta go, you gotta go.
One of the reasons I love RVing is because I always have my own bathroom with me. Public restrooms can be totally disgusting. Danny, are you going to be in there all day?
Occupied. Alright, but seriously, we want to talk about how to find a dump station. Alright, it's easy when you're in a campground. There's a dump station at your site.
Or there's one as you're headed out of the campground, a dump station for you to stop and get rid of the waste.
That's right. But so many people are talking about boondocking, wally-docking.
Cracker docking.
Yes. So much boondocking out there that you're not in the traditional campsites. What do you do then? Where do you find dump stations?
And if you stay all the way to the end, he's got some great apps he's going to share with you as to how we find our dump stations when we're out on the road.
So number one, you might want to consider travel centers and truck stops.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of them cater to RVs and to RVers. They have dump stations, potable water, non-potable water, but you can use their apps and find out which of their stations you consider. Love's, Flying J, Pilots. We've seen those at a lot of those stations. And you can dump just for a small fee.
Number two.
She said number two.
You so planned that on me. Okay. Ignore him. Rest areas and welcome centers. I know when we were down in Mississippi this past summer, on the sign that's on the side of the interstate that says rest area up ahead, it said dump station available, which is great. So not every state has these. I don't think there's a charge. I think the rest areas are actually free in most states now. You have some places, everyone's going to break a rule somewhere. But, and it's not every state that has them, but the ones that do, it's a great thing to just be able to run in there on the side of the road and dump everything, get rid of it.
And the apps and the websites, I'm going to let you know about it then, will help you find those at those welcome centers.
Danny, why can the toilet paper never cross the road?
Why the toilet paper could never cross the road? I don't know.
Get stuck in the cracks.
That's her favorite joke. So, number three, in a lot of cases, you can find dump stations in city, county, state, and national parks. Sometimes free, sometimes for a small fee, but you can find those and use those and be on your way.
Number four, if you're traveling and you have not been able to find a place to dump, a lot of campgrounds will allow you to come in and just get rid of your waste for a small fee. It's always worth asking.
You want to hear a poop joke?
No, yours always stink.
Number 5, In a lot of cases, municipal sewer treatment systems will have a place where you can roll up and use their dump stations. It's a great possibility.
Number 6, RV dealerships such as Camping World and Gander. They have places for you not only to stay overnight in some cases, but also to dump your waste.
Right. Very convenient.
Danny, what do you call a bathroom superhero?
Bathroom super. I'm not sure.
Flush Gordon.
Number 7. Did you know in most cases at your home, if you have a sewer cleanout, it is legal to dump it there? Just check.
And number 8, Cabela's. And places like that, sometimes Bass Pro Shop, they have dump stations.
Right. And while you're there, see if there's anything you need to buy from them.
Always get a new fishing pole.
Let's go fishing.
Absolutely.
So, here are the apps and the websites that I was telling you about that will help you find those dump stations. Get a pen and paper. You might want to write these down, or I'll leave a link to them down below. Number 1, Sandy Dump. It has an app, and you can go to the website, whichever is convenient for you. Number 2 is RV Dump. And number 3 is RV Dump Sites. So either one of those 3 will really help you find an RV dump station. And as you're out boondocking, you're able to get the job done.
Was that supposed to be funny?
I was hoping.
Okay, let's move on. We've hoped you've enjoyed this video. Take a quick minute, hit the subscribe button.
And hit that notification bell. That way you'll get a notification when our next video comes out.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America!